So we are going to chapter 2, which is called as relations and functions. Okay va? Idhula first question, if x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3, find the value of x y x odadum y odadum nama value kandupidikanum. So what does that indicate means? This x by 3 plus 1 is one term which is equal to 5 by 3. Okay, because both idu vandu in the first term vandu x by 3 plus 1 corresponds to 5 by 3. Okay, same wise. Hello, are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So y minus 2 by 3 irukku illaya, so this will get corresponded to 1 by 3. So you have to solve the equations. So on solving x by 3 plus 1, that is x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3. Okay, so x by 3 is equal to, idu nama normala x value kandupidikka eppadi pannuvomo solve pannuvom, 5 by 3 minus 1 by 1. Okay, which is x by 3 LCM edukanum. Okay, LCM edukumbodhu x by 3 vandu inge vandu idu LCM edutha you will get 3, which is 5 minus 3. Okay, so I will get in the 3 base 3 same ah irukadnala denominator la you can get cancel, which implies x is equal to, which x implies 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Okay, like that you have to find out for y also. So I will do for y, please check right now. So y minus 2 by 3, y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, so y is equal to enna panano 1 by 3, in the minus 2 by 3 in the pakkam is equal to kapram veliye vanda, when it comes outside is equal to, it becomes 2 by 3, which is y is equal to 2 plus 1. Since the denominators are same, no need to take LCM, so directly you can add the numerators. It is 3 by 3, which is equal to 1. To cross verify whether your answers, that is x value seems to be 2, okay, and y value seems to be 1, shall I cross verify? To cross verify you have a method. So x value is 2. So what is my given question? X by 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3 is what they are saying. So to cross verify, in x in the place of x நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனும், 2 substitute பண்ணனும். So 2 by 3 plus 1, when I take LCM, so 1 by 1 வருமா, 1 by 1 வந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா உனக்கு வந்து LCM எடுக்கும்போது இங்க வந்து into 3 ஆயிடும். ஓகே, புரியுதா? ஏன்னா LCM வந்து 3 கரெக்டா, so இங்கேயும் 3, அப்போ 2 plus 3 வந்து 5 by 3 கரெக்டா வந்துருச்சு. ஓகே, அதே மாதிரி y க்கும் செக் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, y ஓட செக் பண்ணும்போது y minus 2 by 3 இல்லையா, y ஓட இடத்துல என்ன கிடைச்சிருக்கு நமக்கு, 1 minus 2 by 3 வரும்போது LCM எடுத்தா 3 minus 2 வரும் கரெக்டா, so இங்க into 3 பண்ணிக்கிறீங்க. so 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, so the answer is, since the value is corresponding to the given equation or given set of terms, answer I am getting 5 by 3 வருது, 1 by 3 கிடைக்கிறதுனால my answer is correct. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So question number 2, if the set A has 3 elements and set B has 3, 4, 5, then find the number of elements of A into B. So for the solution, they have already given us. Okay, solution is that they have already given us that A has 3 elements. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
A has already 3 elements. Okay, and B has 3, 4, 5, which is how many elements? To say that see
12 elements, ma'am.
No, this is first element, second element, third element. So B also has
Oh, 3 elements, ma'am.
yeah, B also has 3 elements. Understood? Okay, understood. B also
Yes, ma'am.
has 3 elements. அப்போ அடுத்தது என்னன்னா to find out. Okay, so the question is number of elements in bracketல போட்டுக்கோ A into B. Okay, so they are asking for A into B, right? So there is number of elements in A into B, இருக்குல்லையா? Which is that formula is number of elements in A, okay, into
Yes, ma'am.
number of elements
In B, ma'am.
yeah in B. Appo which will give you 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So this 3 times 3, 9 is the answer. Okay,
Okay.
okay. The third sum is if G is equal to 7 comma 8. Okay, this is 8. Okay, and H is 5 comma 4 comma 2. So now you have 2 questions to be found out, answers to be found out for 2 questions, that is G into H and H into G. So there are 2 questions, G into H and H into G. So let me first find out G into H. Okay, so G into H na G தான் வந்து பேஸா G தான் வந்து நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பேஸா வச்சுக்கணும். So 7 comma 5, okay, 7 comma 4, then 7 comma 2. Okay, then again you will do 8 comma 5. Okay,
8 comma 4.
8 comma 4, then 8 comma 2. So now you have to write the answers. So I'll write now. Okay, so it is 7 comma 5. Bracket la close பண்ணி போடணும், comma போடணும், நல்ல நீட்டா எழுதணும். 7 comma 4, then 7 comma 2. Okay, next now for 8 we have to write 8 comma 5, 8 comma 4, and 8 comma 2. Okay, so next question in the question they have asked is like to find out H into G. So next my question is H into G. Okay, so H into G ங்கறப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ணனும், H வந்து பேஸா வெச்சுக்கணும். Okay, so wait,
Yes, ma'am.
I will write the question. H is equal to 5, because that is the first element I have to take into consideration. 5 comma 4 comma 2, and G is 7 comma 8. So when I take my H as the base, so what will be my answer? 5 comma 7, 5 comma 8. Okay, next when I take it, then I will consider with 4 comma 7, 4 comma 8. Okay, next I am going to consider it with which one? 2. So it will be 2 comma 7, then 2 comma 8. That is my final answer. So when I start to write H into G, my final answer will be written like this. I have to put in the bracket 5 comma 7, 5 comma 8. Okay,
4 comma 7.
yeah, next is you say 4 comma என்ன வரும்?
7.
Yeah, 4 comma, this comma. Okay, 4 comma 7, then
4 comma 8.
4 comma 8. Next
2 comma 7.
2 comma 7.
2 comma 8.
Next 2 comma 8. So how many elements are there?
I'm totally adding G and H and H and G, ma'am, both.
No. G into H, how many elements are there?
6, ma'am.
Yeah, so here the answer is 6. What about H into G?
Excuse me, ma'am, 1 second.
H into G, the total element is 6. Okay?
Yes,
Understood. How are we getting this 6 is, see, in the 7 and 8 there are 2 elements, right? And in H there are 3 elements, correct? 2 into 3 is what? Total elements should match to 6. Okay? But they have asked to write how many possibilities, how many elements will come as G into H. They're not asking total elements, they're asking G into H and H into G. So you have to write this. So, but if they ask elements, you can straight away multiply the number of elements in G and number of elements into H, you will get the total answer. So 2 into 3, 6 is matching with both G into H and H into G. So your answer is correct.
Okay. Ma'am, shall I note it down?
Yeah.